Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube. I'm Shane Cromer, and today we're going to be taking a little trip down memory lane and comparing some 90s styling with some 21st century styling. Plus, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks on how to incorporate the best of both eras into your wardrobe. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with 90s styling. The 90s were all about baggy jeans, oversized shirts, and a slight grunge aesthetic. It was the era of hip hop influence, grunge bands, and the rise of streetwear. Think of baggy jeans, oversized flannels, and backwards caps. This look was all about the comfort and a very laid back attitude. Trainers were big and chunky, with brands like Nike and Rebok leading the way. And the Air Jordan ended up becoming a cultural icon. Now let's fast forward to the 21st century. Today's fashion tends to be more about slim fits, minimalism, and a blend of casual and formal wear. Slim fit jeans, fitted shirts, and clean trainers are the norm. The emphasis being on a tailored look that helps to enhance your silhouette. Trainers have evolved too. Now we see sleek, minimal designs from a lot of brands, which tend to focus both on style and sustainability. Let's compare some key elements from both eras and see how we can blend them into today's fashion. First up, shirts. The 90s loved oversized shirts. Lately, fitted shirts are more in, but you can still wear an oversized shirt if you pair it with the right items, such as a slim pair of pants to balance out the look. See how this oversized shirt looks well with a pair of slim jeans? It gives a nod to the 90s while staying modern. Next, jeans. Today, more of a slim fit or skinny fit tend to be a bit more popular. If you want to go for a bit more of that 90s flair, go for more of a relaxed fit as opposed to super baggy. Relaxed fit jeans strike a balance between 90s comfort and modern style. Now let's talk about accessories. The 90s loved bold accessories like chunky trainers and snapback caps. Chunky trainers are actually making more of a comeback lately, so don't be afraid to incorporate them into your 21st century wardrobe. For a modern twist, pair them with a minimalist look like a nice watch and a clean pair of trainers. To wrap it up, here are some final tips on blending 90s and 21st century styles. Number 1, mix and match. Combine oversized tops with fitted bottoms or vice versa. Number 2, at times, just embrace trends. Don't be afraid to incorporate certain trending items with a 90s inspired outfit. Number 3, focus on your fit. Even if you are wearing an item that's meant to be oversized, it still should fit you correctly. Make sure it fits well around the shoulders and it isn't too long. Number 4, accessorize wisely. You can use accessories to bridge the gap between eras. You could wear a 90s style hat on a modern streamlined outfit. So there you have it, folks, a comparison of 90s styling versus 21st century with some tips on how to blend the best of both worlds. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and toggle that notification bell for future content. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I will see you on my next video.